guys, welcome back again, and I am going to tell you for the GATE examination. You know that GATE examination date form to fill the form has been released, and I hope most of you have filled the form already. But you know what? Those students who didn't fill the form yet, just go and fill the form, because the last date will be 24th of September and the extended date would be 1 October, but that will you have to pay for the extended fees also, so it doesn't good for you. So just go for it and fill the form, like, okay, as much as you can earlier can do that. Okay, now come back to this key why I'm making this video. Because of that, in this particular video I'm going to help you out, those parents who are preparing for the GATE 2022, that I have a surprise for you. What is the surprise? Surprise would be your previous year question paper. That is for your surprise, and this is the, I think, best surprise for you, right? So just go for it. Link in the description box. I have put it a 2021 examination question papers, real question papers with answer key. So that is the good for you, right? Just go for it and grab it and start preparing for it. Also, I'm going to put 2022 previous year question papers, and I have another surprise that I'm also going to give you. जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं जो एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए IIT खड़गपुर that has released the form. So I just wanted to tell you that in this particular link that I'm going to give you, in this link you will click in the link and then see that you find in that particular link you will see that they have given you the registration date, how to fill the form, all the details, and the last date will what and how to pay the form, extended fees would be what, everything, each and every queries you have, you just find the solution of that, all your queries. So just go to the link in the description box. You will definitely find all your answers of your queries. Right now, come back to this examination 2022. That what demand is, right? You all know that who are preparing for the JAM or any examinations want to GATE for it. So for mathematics, if I am talking about, it is demands as much as you can practice those question papers. Previous year question papers, somehow they will repeated, so it was a good age for you to how to balance it, how to prepare for it, how to drive the solutions of those questions paper that have no negative marking. And those negative marking, guys, most of the questions they have negative marking to 2/3 negative marking. So you have to control yourself कि नहीं ये भी लग रहा है तो just टिक कर दिया एक पे. No, that's not the good way to do that. Okay, just restrict yourself, and if you know properly the answer, if you can drive the solutions and you find the solutions and it is exactly correct, so then you have to go to the options. Otherwise, do not do it. Just skip those questions and just go to the next question. The number of questions doesn't matter, I know that, in this particular paper, but the thing is that how much you correct, okay, those questions paper, how much do you correct those question papers, that will be matter for you. So just try to solve maximum questions that will be correct and try to answer them. Okay, so for that you need more practice, and in the next video I'm going to put more videos about GATE 2022 examination, how to questions papers are coming, and I'm just trying to solve those kind of question papers that will help you to understand exam patterns actually. So I will definitely upload that videos. So if you are new on my channel, guys, please subscribe to this channel and press to the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications on my channel before if you want to study, definitely for a CS candidate, you want to prepare for this examination, don't miss this opportunity. Just grab this opportunity and try to prepare as much as you can, and अपना 100% देना है, ठीक है? तो just prepare for it and you will definitely succeed in this examination. You will definitely successful in this examination. And when you prepare, exactly the demand is examination would be, and exactly the after that you have to go to the syllabus of the examination also. The syllabus से related ही question papers जो भी कमिंग आते हैं जो भी सारे, तो उससे रिलेटेड ही मैं प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगी। तो आपको बने रहना इस वीडियो पे, ठीक है। और हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बात करेंगे और गेट 2022 के जितने भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हो सकते हैं हम इसमें सॉल्व कर लेंगे, क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से ही बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड होते हैं। सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन। एंड लास्ट ईयर की कट ऑफ जो थी 2021 की, वो थी 29 पॉइंट समथिंग फॉर OBC एंड अदर जनरल सेक्शंस के लिए भी ऐसी गई थी। तो मतलब ऐसा है कि 30+ तो हमें एक टारगेट लेके चलना है, ठीक है ना। तो प्रिपेयर करते हैं उसके लिए, ठीक है। ऑल द बेस्ट दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन, एंड जस्ट डू योर हार्ड वर्क and believe in yourself. You will definitely succeed in this examination. My all best wishes with you guys, and please associate with me, and I will try to help you out as much as I can. And thank you so much for this vlog. Let's come back in the next video, and thank you so much.